welcome back to my more important analysis videos with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Atlantic Markets on Tuesday, 22nd of May. Looking at euro dollar, and euro dollar remains strong, doesn't it? Another sort of move to the upside yesterday, another bull candle, sort of breaking into further sort of multi-month highs, and again it's sort of edging ever closer to that spike high that we saw on the day after Trump's election victory, or the reaction the market had to Trump's election victory. That's 113 figure, and then beyond that you're sort of looking at 1325, I believe. 1325, and then sort of the high 13s again, 1365 area. These are levels that could well be tested. I mean, look at the strength of the momentum. RSI 73, that is holding on to that sort of strong bull run and not really wanting to give it up. The MACD line is continuing to pull higher, stochastics as well. I mean, yes, at some stage there could be a little bit of a corrective move, but I'd still say that having broken out above 11 figure, that is a key move on the longer term chart. 111 figure having been this sort of pivot that's time and time again acted as sort of turning points. Breaking up above that now becomes supportive, so you'd certainly look towards that as your area of initial sort of pullback support. So this chart looks pretty strong, doesn't it? I don't think there's a great deal to say against it, other than the fact that you could say it's a little bit stretched. But again, looking at the hourly chart, there's nothing really that would suggest that it is overly negative. Sort of overly stretched, and subsequently could see a bit of profit taking. You see consistent run of higher lows, markets sort of pulling back to find support at old breakouts, and it's all sort of pretty solid. And again, even sort of today you could argue it's sort of pulled back towards that breakout of Friday's high, and sort of found support. So it is looking still pretty solid. I think anything sort of towards the 40, maybe 50 area on the hourly RSI is a chance to buy. You could argue there's a very slight sort of air of bear or negative divergence, but I don't really think you're going to get too worked up about it quite yet. And even if there were to be a little corrective move, I think that is again a chance to buy. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.